Hello, my name's Adam, and I've been creating engaging courses for clients on Fiverr for a while now. There are a lot of different ways that you can make a course engaging, though in this gig, I specifically want to focus on how to create like a lifelike AI avatar of yourself. I think that's super cool because now you can actually present your course. And because we're using text to speech, it makes it a lot easier for you. So basically, what we're doing is we're focusing on the words in the script versus retakes and mic sounds and all of that stuff. It saves you a lot of time, which saves you money, as well as countless frustration. It's taken me 50 takes to do this little video. So I can only imagine doing a full course like this. Let's discuss your course though over Zoom, and I'll show you more examples of what it's like to have an AI character present your information. Take a moment to check out my profile. There's a lot of different examples in here. Here's a sneak peek of my actual AI avatar in
Awesome.
action.
Hi, my name's Adam. In this professional gig, AI technology will bring your lifelike avatar to life, using your voice to create an amazing e-learning course video. But that's just the beginning. Let's explore how it works. Your new AI avatar will speak from text, so retakes are a thing of the past. Your course can be exclusively branded and professionally presented in English or in other languages. For example, tu curso ahora es multilingüe en español or woje shuanzi chi ta yu yan. Starting with your existing presentation, we'll build on that foundation. Additional features, graphics, and animations can be added to make it more engaging and polished. Throughout the process, close collaboration ensures regular updates and feedback so the final product meets all expectations. Each project is unique, with custom quotes based on course length and specific needs. Some examples are available in the portfolio, showcasing what's possible. Looking forward to creating a custom branded course with you.